Hello and welcome to Dishite. I am Zan, and today we're going to practice the names of some cities in the world. This time, the funny thing is, I'm not going to give you the spellings. You have to write down the spellings yourself, just to give you a bit of a practice. So let's check how well do you know the spellings of the names of the cities around the world. The first one is Berlin. Yes. The number 2, Warsaw. Number 3, Durban. Number 4, Melbourne. Number 5, Sydney. Number 6, Los Angeles. Number 7, Chicago. Number 8, Toronto. Number 9, Dublin. Number 10, Houston. Number 11, Dallas. Number 12, Delhi. Number 13, Lahore. Number 14, Jammu. Number 15, Nairobi. Number 16, Beijing. Number 17, Moscow. Number 18, Saratov. Number 19, Bishkek. Number 20, Istanbul. Number 21, Baku. Number 22, Casablanca. Number 23, Cairo. Number 24, Riyadh. I hope you've got at least 20 correct out of 24, because the names were a bit tough. Let's see how many of your answers are correct. The answers are given here. How many of your answers were correct? Do let me know in the comments below. And thank you for being with us.